Hi. What are the 5 things you need to do to succeed exceptionally well in this new year? The 5 areas you need to look into. The first one is your faith. It's important that you have an anchor in life. Who do you believe in? What do you believe in? Your faith is very, very important to succeed maximally in this new year. The second thing is your family. It's very important. Your family, there's no point succeeding and then you have no family to go back to. So you need to take care of your family. And remember the hierarchy. Your spouse comes before your children. Then the third thing you need to look into is your finances. In this new year, you need to learn how to make money, how to manage money, and how to multiply money. Those 3 things we're going to look at later on because they're very, very important in my future broadcast. The fourth thing you need to think about to succeed maximally in this new year is your fitness. What do I mean by your fitness? You need to eat right. If you just look at the acronym EAT, it means you need to eat differently, you need to act differently, and you need to think differently. Eating differently means your food choices, your diet fitness. It's very important. Acting differently means that you need to choose to incorporate fitness into your daily routine. And then think differently is your lifestyle. You need to put in a lot of lifestyle changes to make sure you succeed, excel, and prosper in this new year. Then finally, your friends. Do your friends add to you? Did they subtract from you? Or do they multiply you? I think it's a time to take stock of your friend and decide, am I going with this friend this new year? Because your choice of friends could actually determine how successful you would be in the new year or how you would excel in the new year. As I said, the 5 areas that you need to look into to succeed exceptionally in this new year: your faith, your family, your finances, your fitness, and your friends. Thank you.